flagship brand from the house of Lohia Group. We are the brand leaders in Andhra and Telangana from last 2 decades. Now we are entering into healthy segment by this brand Gold Drop Rice Bran Oil. Nowadays we are seeing a lot of people are shifting them from regular habit to the healthy habit. A lot of market improvement is there from couple of years as far the rice bran oil is concerned. Hence we are launching this brand to capture the new customers who are shifting or diverting from other oil to rice bran oil. We are having 3 facilities, 2 in Hyderabad, 1 in Kakinada with the installed capacity of 1300 tons per day. Initially we are launching rice bran oil from our Hyderabad capacity, which is newly installed with a capacity of 150 tons per day. We are launching this Gold Drop Rice Bran Oil in Telangana and Andhra initially. After that we will move forward to other areas.
सफलता की ओर बढ़ा रही है। हमारे सपने ही हमें आगे बढ़ने को प्रेरित कर रहे हैं। हम सबके दृढ़ संकल्प से ही एक परिवार जैसे बन गए हैं। आज मैं खुश हूँ कि हम सब नई चेतना और उत्साह से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। आइए नई कठिन चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए गोल्ड ड्रॉप को सफलता की नई ऊंचाई में पहुंचाने के लिए सब मिलकर काम करें। आप सभी को मैं हृदयपूर्वक धन्यवाद देता हूं।